Today we will study 5 Python topics. We will cover variables and how to print. Let's print. Let us get started. What are variables? In Python, a variable is a space store information. This information can be a name, a number, an age. For example, name. After creating a variable, we can use it. For example, here we have name and age. These variables store information that we can use later. Printing them gives us John and 20. What types of variables exist in Python? We have strings, integers, floats, and booleans. They store text, numbers, and true or false values. Want to find a variable's type? In Python, use the type function. Pass the variable into the function. This reveals the stored data type. To display information, use the print function. For example, print name outputs John. We can also combine sentences with variables. Today we learned 5 important concepts. Variables store information. Use them throughout your program. Use type to find the type and print to display it. Happy coding!